Okay, we are inside the shop, and this is one of the pallets that we have cleaned earlier, and we can show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray this area, and as you can see, it immediately starts bubbling. That's good enough, right? Half on it. And in just a few seconds we will show you how this is gonna turn into a clean board that can be reusable. Basically, it's a brand new pallet without having to do any modification on it. Just this is a cleaning. This is no chlorine base, no bleach, none of those items. This is totally biodegradable and very safe to the environment. We're gonna go ahead and clean it now. It hasn't been even 30 seconds, but we will show you how it's gonna turn out. From what you can see, it's already been cleaned totally, and there is no mold, no mildew. It's gone forever. That's the old one, and once it dries out, you're gonna get back to the original color of the wood. So this is your pallet basically after it's been cleaned.